Your name?
Nash.
Why you pass the ball?
You're just not my speed.
Understandable.
I am not, nothing more, nothing less. Is it?
Alright, so based on appearance though, what do you think about it? How much did I rate it from 1 to 10?
I don't rate it. 0. 0. 0, yeah.
You rate, alright, so appearance get as
100% 0. Yeah.
alright, cool. Alright, based on Nash appearance, what do you think about him? Would he have gotten
He
your
looks
number?
a little. No, he wouldn't have. I don't like tattoos,
You're
and
capping, bro.
I don't like tattoos.
You're capping. If I give you a 10,
would I
you would
cap?
because if I give you a 10, you would be like, oh,
I wouldn't have. You're
whatever.
short. You're light.
Short,
you're short.
I'm
You're
seeing-
light. I could
what do
body you.
So you cannot what?
Body you all day, every day.
That's late, man. That's late. I'm not even gonna-
-5.
She just, yeah. I'm not gonna entertain it. You see it? Let her
We
believe
could
what she
move
wants.
on. No, we don't want to entertain you either.
Delulu. Definition, Delulu. Yeah.
All right. Respect.
No, bro, man, I tell her for calm down.
Yeah, calm down.
Man, I tell her for relax. Yes, man.
Like you're fucking.
Come on,
Yes.
please.
Your shoes look like they need a little clean up.
Look like
Your
you
face
came
looks like it
from
needs a little clean up. Stop your nice little boy. Go walk with Grace.
You're dirty.
How about you
You're
walk with
dirty.
Grace?
You're dirty.
Anyways.
You're just trying to look.
Okay, all right, listen.
Trying
Just
to
go.
bang.
Go. You're not what you wanted, TV fame, right? Like, no, go. Like, what do you want me to body you? Don't play with me, nigga.
No, I'm the
Yo,